Yeah, 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 yeah. Never go to the wrong congregation. Why? Dancehall skilla and pagan so.
What a devil for your foot shine. A woman shows that shine.
The better way about expense by England to not the woman when you see look so nice and so expensive.
Bad man, a woman shows that bad man.
Aqua! I take up this. I wear water before I start on taxi water.
Bad man, a modern time man now.
I take this I wear before I run taxi water, sir. It's all I wear I run taxi, yes, sir.
Bad man, what a thing I wear, bad man.
I've never wear slippers like this.
Yeah man, bad man.
England is come from.
I'm a granny used to wear them shoes, brother.
My people, and what that? Is that a pair of female footwear the man shown in the video was wearing? A woman shows them there? In my point of view, I think that those look like a pair of female footwear, but that's just my point of view, you know. I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think, you see me? So tell me if you think that man shown in the video was wearing a pair of female footwear. Remember, you have unisex clothing and shoes as well, you know. But tell me what you think, alright? Yeah, so big up and respect each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again. Yeah, me have some more things I want to talk to you about. You see? Yeah. We see a video that shows when Marvin the Beast does something really good for a disabled person. Yeah, the video shows a dancer who goes by the name of Marvin the Beast from within the country of Jamaica at a party with quite a number of persons within the party. Yes, I say, and Marvin the Beast and other persons did something really good for a disabled person who was at the party. And I real my people, more you take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Yes, I say, yeah man, tell me what you think about this video. Observe with me, my people.
5,000 Jamaican. You say me money you, I get a 500,000 for me, but a 5,000 Jamaican this. God know you. I have to do this because a dancer let me eat, I feed my people then. Me no scam, me no sell weed, me no sell drugs.
Straight.
I'm in a work 9 to 5, I dance, my dance.
Straight.
And then you can love dancer, don't got this. Yo, we need your DNA on Diamond, put something on this. Everybody put something on this. Everybody put something on that to run that, man. Yeah, since the process of you we'll put something on that to run that. Please, me, I'm going to. If I have $100, even $20, put something on that. Put the right best of the run God. Put something on that. Yeah, man, put something on everybody, man. Everybody will love dancehall and reggae music. Put something on that, man. Run God. Put something on that for you, man. Never enough, you have good foot and good hand like we. Same care, put some more upon it, put no man, yeah man, try to come put it man. Put where you put man, put some upon it man, no matter what it is man. If Corey when they are Corey, they do the same thing. Rest in peace, Mineral Boss, one more time. John know you, Byron Sunday, so they're going to put 1,000, yeah baby, thank you. Yes, they are the hustler put a 500. God know, don't God. And you are what part? Call your sister or cousin and who you are. Tell them to go pick it up. Hear them to you. Keep on that to ground, God. Fix it up for you, man. God know you. Big up yourself. Hear you? Once you have life, you have everything. Hear? Hear my brother? Just keep on doing it. And we love seeing a dancer. A dancer our life. And when we see you, we feel joy and happy. And you make me know so we job very important. Here, big up yourself, ground, God. People, sorry for the break, but you don't know. And you guys put you don't know a human being like you. I love him and respect him. You understand me? You understand me?
Let me see that video and ask myself.
You love Almighty God, you must love what going on around. Everybody who love life and love God. You don't know what going on around with this one. I love music and dancer. And you know enough of them don't like me, but guess what? This them don't like me for coming to great things in a dancer. All the while, the mad people, the old people, they must dance with them and we give them things. We have to give back. I watch you, remember last week, you know, remember they are Sunday, you know why remember they are Sunday? But they are New Jersey to perform. And at this make me can go to New Jersey to perform. So they have love dancing and dancing.
Mr. My people, me rate what go on when it comes on to what Marvin the Beast do. Yeah, me respect that video there, I respect what Marvin the Beast do, I should say. Yes, I say, and all those persons who contributed and chip in to do something good for the disabled person in your subscribers. You understand? And it's not the first time I see that disabled person there in a video on social media. You know? Yeah, man, I see him in a video with a female, like, you know, my dance on the female and so forth. That video there also shows not only what the video they show again? Yeah, Shelly Belly. A person who goes by the name of Shelly Belly is a dancer too. Yeah, man. So, on a real, tell me what you think about that video, the viewers and subscribers. You understand? So, alright, so I'm gonna move on to another topic, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, I saw more than one pieces of videos posted on social media that shows some things that happened when the police within the country of Jamaica went to an event that was held on the 24th of December, the year 2021, within Clarendon, Jamaica. Now, the name of the event is said to be Tough Crowd. And a musician who goes by the name of Jashii was performing at that event. Now, I saw more than one post on social media claiming that Jashii was arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me say this very carefully. You see, I have no confirmed information that Jashii had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica for being at that event or performing at that event. No, I do not have any confirmed information about that. You see me? Now, I am not saying that it did not happen, but me, Dancehall Skilla, did not get any confirmed information about that. You understand? See? So, if me get confirmed information about that, I will let you know in the comment section of this video, but I didn't. You see me? I say, however, I am going to present one video to you. And it's not really a long video. This video is going to show some things that happened when the police within the country of Jamaica went to that event that is known as Tough Crowd in Clarendon, Jamaica on the 24th of December, the year 2021. And the video also shows the musician who goes by the name of Jashii performing. You see me? Now, harsh words have been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Life sweet, coming over. Memories in the past, mama. Have to replace my tears in the past. I wake up hard and walk on 25 years right now. I never go on poverty. Poverty don't suck out of the pussy, man. That's good. Right now. Mr. Kindlehead. Family dead.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that quite a number of persons who was at that event that is known as Tough Crowd had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act. But I didn't get any confirmed information that Jashii was among those persons. Again, I don't know for sure if he was not detained or arrested by the police, but me, Dancehall Skilla, did not get any confirmed information about that. You see me, I say, you don't know me, only they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on and give you correct information as accurate as possible, you see? And, you know, viewers and subscribers, I saw more than 3 videos posted on social media that shows crowds of people at different places within the country of Jamaica on Christmas Eve night. Yeah, so me see videos that shows crowds of people at different places within the country of Jamaica on Christmas Eve night. You see? Yeah, me see a video from Mandeville. Me see a video from Linstead. Me see videos, viewers and subscribers, that shows some things that happened on Christmas Eve night within the country of Jamaica. You see me? I say, and I real my people, it is something that people really and truly talk about on social media, to see the amount of people gathered together, you know, enjoying themselves and so forth. But, however, I only hope that each and every one did their very best to try and prevent from catching that virus that is known as the COVID-19. You see me I say? Yeah, you know, I hope say everybody there wear their mask and do the necessary things. You see me? But when it comes down to so many people gathered together, there's a possibility that anything can happen. You understand? But me just make you know about those videos, and me just make you know about some things that happen within the country of Jamaica. And right here is where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.